here's the situation. You're dancing in the club, okay? You've managed to find a group of girls that you're interested in, one's dancing with you. That's awesome. What you want to do when you're dancing with a girl in the nightclub for the first time is you don't want to go too crazy, all right? That can really freak out a lot of women, especially all the over-the-top energy can really be too much. You want to play it cool, all right? Be yourself, okay? Don't try to be anybody you're not. Just have a good time, keep it simple, all right? Just groove in the club. But then what you want to do is you want to kind of step back at some point in the song and you want to bust out like a really smooth dance combo, yeah? Because if you could do that and you can nail it for like 8 counts and be like, and just look smooth, then it's just gonna really catch her attention, and that's literally all you need to do for her to go damn and kind of say, you know, you're a good dancer. You just need to nail it for 1 count of 8. And guess what? Any of y'all can do it. You just gotta practice. If you practice 1 count of 8 enough, you will nail it. Doesn't matter if you're a good dancer or not. I'm serious. So what I'm gonna show you now is a really sexy, badass count of 8 that you can do to just step back and bust out and just look like a villain, like you're chilling and you're killing, yeah? So let's get it. This is how you do it, all right? So I want you to start off this dance combo with a spin, because spins, one, they catch people's attention, yeah? It's a dynamic dance move, right? So we're just gonna spin over our left shoulder, starting from here, draw them across your body. To gather the momentum, you need to spin without having to just go over the top and use your arms to go spin into it. You want to keep it tight movement. So just like that, okay? Once you've done your spin, you're going to put your weight onto the right leg and kick with the left. As you kick, you're going to brush, okay? Across your shoulder, like you're brushing some dirt off your shoulder, okay? So from the spin, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we repeat the other side. So it's and 3 and 4. All right, from the top, from the spin, 1, 2, and 3 and 4. All right? So notice how I'm doing that on the and, yeah? To go 1, 2, and 3 and 4. So getting the timing right with that is important, okay? So once you've gone kick and brush, you're probably wondering, damn, how can I make that move like look good? I'm feeling a bit weird. I feel like a tin man. I'm kicking here and I'm just going, Well, what you need to do is you need to loosen up, yeah? You gotta loosen up those shoulders. You gotta get a bounce with your knees, okay? You gotta get that bounce happening. You gotta get that swag happening, yeah? From there, you can get used to just going like this. Bouncing the knees and kicking, okay? What I'm doing here is I'm bouncing and I'm kicking as I go up. As I extend the opposite leg, I kick. It's just a little kick, okay? It's just a little kick from the knees. Once you get this, brush, brush it off wherever you want, however you want. You can do whatever. You can point, you know. You style this movement how you want. You can go, hey, 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 hey. You can brush it off, or you can do whatever you want there, yeah? So that's the breakdown of that move. That's them shit that a lot of people don't go into detail with, and nobody taught me that when I first started learning that move, and it took me a long while. It took me a long while to figure that out, so take that information on board. Now, from the top. Whoopsie daisies. Looks like that is enough for this free video, but the full video will be available online in my mentor program. So I highly recommend you guys check that out if you haven't already. It's crazy value. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Get on it. Link is in the description below.